This lesson describes how to use the advancement and progress tracking module inside the software system. You'll see here this is a pretty empty screen because we're starting from scratch here. You can get to the advancement area by going to either the contacts tab here as you see and going down to advancement, or by clicking on the advancement button down here at the bottom, and it'll bring you here to this page. We'll start first with a really simple example. Advancement and progress tracking are set up for you to keep track of group members' advancement toward a particular goal. Now this might be useful if you have a certification program or some sort of a way to differentiate someone's skills. So we'll start here by saying that here's an advancement track, and so this is how you would name whatever it is they are trying to attain, or a good way to describe the skills that they are trying to learn and demonstrate they can do. So we'll start first here with just a generic track name. We'll call it some skill set. And so you'll see we start off here. Here it is in the list of all your advancement tracks, and we'll edit this and we'll look at ranks. So a rank could be novice to expert to experienced to veteran, whatever. In this case we'll keep it simple and we'll just call it level 1, and we assign a level number and then we'll call it level 1, and we're just going to come up with something very generic. Demonstrate some skill. Let's add another level or another requirement. So what this means is we have to demonstrate some skill to earn level 1, and then we have to do something else. So maybe we'll show knowledge of something. So once these two requirements are fulfilled, then we'll be able to attain level 1. So let's just save and we'll see what this looks like here. And you can see here's our some skill set. We have now level 1. There's only one level you can go to, and so let's try adding another rank, and we'll call this rank level 2, and we'll be very creative and call this level 2 as well. So let's add a requirement and demonstrate something advanced, because we are after all going to be level 2. So we hit save. And now you see the graph has changed a little bit. Some skill set here is on top, and it shows the two different ranks that you can attain. So we'll go and we'll look here, and just to review, here are our ranks. Level 1 with its requirements here to demonstrate some skill and show knowledge of something, and level 2 which has a requirement of showing something advanced. So let's now look at an individual person. So here's a contact that's in the group, and I can now go and edit. You can see they have no rank yet, and you can see now they're working towards level 1. Now to just complete a requirement, click here, complete today. Of course you can always change when something is was completed, and then let's take some notes. So we'll remember demonstrated skillfully. So we'll save, and here it tells us, okay, one update was made. And so now you can see the rank is working toward level 1, and they've completed one of 2 of the requirements. Let's go and look at a different person here. Now you can see this other person has no rank yet either because they haven't completed any requirements. We'll hit edit, and let's just complete them both here. And we'll hit save. So we made 2 updates to this person, and lo and behold, here they are now level 1. So now let's go back and take a look at what all the charts look like, and here we go. We have our some skill set here, advancement track. We have level 1, and we have one person who has earned it and one person who is in progress. So now all we got to do is click on the chart to see who those people are. So let's see who's working on that. Sure enough, this is the person that's working, or that has earned some skill set level 1. And then we can click on here and we can see who's working on it. There they are. That's who's working on it. So then when all you got to do is go to any individual, and you can go and edit this at any time. So This group was set up in advance. I changed it from a corporate group to a scouting troop just to give an example of what we have available as some pre-built libraries for advancement. So we'll go back here to the advancement page, and here's our chart. But we can go and let's create new, and let's look at the library. Now, if we wanted to import just one of these, we could. You can see we have a lot of pre-built merit badges, and these are all scouting related items, but we can very easily click import all and hit create, and you'll see there they are. So now we have all of our different merit badges all listed here on this chart, and you can go and you can see the details of these. And then let's go and let's look at an individual person here. Let's go back to our demo account guy. You'll notice that because there are so many merit badges loaded here, it takes a couple seconds for it to load all the data. But let's go and take a look at astronomy. So here you can see these are all the different requirements to earn this merit badge, and so we can hit complete today. We could leave notes here if we wanted to, and then we'll just scroll down here to the save, and there we go, one update made. And so let's go back up, and sure enough, astronomy merit badge working toward 1. Now if we go back here to show all charts, we'll see here are the Eagle Palms, the Boy Scout ranks. Here's our old some skill set, and here we go. Here's our astronomy merit badge. We click on the link, and sure enough, there he is. So that's the advancement. If you have any questions about how to use it or how it might apply to your organization, please feel free to email support. Thank you.